As you can hear more or less, you can hardly hear X and Y, but you hear the cooling fan is quite loud on it. It's more or less the only thing you hear during printing. And also something I noticed, and you should be aware of if you buy this machine from Creality, is like, yes, it's silent, but absolutely not on the C axis. It's loud as hell on C. You will not hear that so much during printing because it doesn't change layers that often, and it's usually very short distances. But when you're doing bed leveling and things like this, it's extremely loud. But more or less also the impression of the machine is that it's a really high quality on the build. And there's like with many other Chinese machines and manufacturers, it's the small things they more or less missed on this one. And the things I have noticed is like I have experienced that the whole printer freezed while loading filament, and this was just really annoying because I had everything heated up with the filament by the nozzle, and the only thing to resolve this issue was to shut down the entire printer. And anybody that have been printing for a while knows that it's a terrible thing to do, to shut the power off so the cooling fans stops while you have filament in the nozzle. It's a very common way to get very difficult clogs. But I will post some more videos when I'm use this machine a little bit more. And you might wonder why I now have this machine. So the thing is, like, I made some small projects for a local company with my very small Tina 2 from Wido. And they got so impressed more or less that they bought the machine and placed it at my place and asked me to do some work for them. So I have not paid for this machine, and I don't own it. It's my local company. They just paying me for the time I spend on doing projects for them. So have a good day.